Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3.
I didn't catch you while you're falling.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, my name is Bully Kid. Anyway, guys, I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about the turbo build that we are trying to do and accomplish this season for the summer. It is a 2007 Honda Civic base model LX, and I know it's an automatic transmission, but the thought of boosting it has come around a few times. You know, we went to test drive a few SIs that were boosted, supercharged, and you know, nothing met the criteria. It was either overpriced, it was either half-assed, and then you know what, I said I'm just gonna boost my 8th gen Civic LX daily driver. One, we are the original owners of the vehicle. You know, I know the maintenance history of it. For the most part, I think it's a pretty decent condition car. And you know what, the learning experience that I will get from boosting it, right, from doing all the research myself, is going to be so incredible than just buying something boosted and just driving it. And that research and the knowledge behind it is what I'm looking for as well. It's not just a fast car. You know, I'm not expecting big numbers. Really, we're expecting probably, what are we going to get? We'll probably have like 180 to the wheels. I'm not trying to run a lot of boost. I'm just trying to make a reliable daily driver, because again, that's what it is. It gets me to and from work every single day. And when I say every single day, I mean every single day, because we're pretty much always working. Anyway, the background is beautiful here. We're out of town finally. We get to relax, catch a break after doing so much work this week at work. So let's talk about the build a little bit. Let me summarize what the plans are, just make a quick video for you guys. Essentially, this is an eBay kit build, right? We're gonna be buying the eBay turbo kit for this car, and there's a lot of turbo kits that were made, probably 3 or 4. Some of the well-known ones are the full race one. Another well-known one is the TSI turbo kit, but you know, those are all out of budget. I'm not trying to spend 4 or 5 grand on a car that's only gonna make 180 wheel horsepower. So we're trying to go as budget as we can in a lot of the parts, right? Like the manifold, you know, the turbo. Obviously, if you get a Garrett turbo, your budget's going to be out and above your expectations. So people have been running eBay turbos for some time. This eBay turbo that we'll get it's not the cheapest, $99 special on eBay. It's actually worth around $270. So the price is not very cheap for that turbo. So I hope it's going to work out pretty well. Yeah, but we're gonna get eBay manifold, eBay turbo, eBay intercooler pipe and kit, eBay oil lines, feed lines, drain lines. What else were we talking about? We might have to do some welding on the intercooler, depending how we're gonna run it, and depending if we're gonna do a blow-by mass airflow sensor setup or a flow-through mass airflow sensor setup. I'm thinking we're gonna do a blow-by, just to reduce piping. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, don't worry, I'm gonna make sure I include it in the future videos talking about it. We did already buy fuel injectors for the car. I have them. I'm just waiting on a rebuild kit. I'll tell you guys about that again. We'll make videos on every step. So if you guys are trying to boost your 8th gen Civic in a budget form, you guys can reference the videos for everything. You guys know I'm already posting a lot of tuning information and data on those videos. Again, that's gonna help you guys out, figure out tuning. I'm starting everything by myself. I'm doing everything by myself, from, like I said before, piecing everything together. We're not buying a full kit, we're piecing it, because we still save about $100 by piecing it together. We're tuning it by ourselves, right? We're getting the fuel injector. Everything's just super budget, secondhand. You know, fuel injectors are secondhand. But I hope you guys appreciate these videos on the turbo build and support the channel by dropping a like or subscribing to the channel. One thing that I'm really grateful for, as you guys already know, and I'm out of breath walking, just shows you how out of shape I am. But one thing I'm really grateful for is the incredible sponsors that we've been getting in the channel right now. We got a few sponsors, and we got still one big sponsor that just came through, and I'm so grateful for them. We'll have a video of that shortly coming out. We passed emissions, as you guys already know. I got 2 years to do another emission test, so if I turbo it this season, I still have a year and a half to enjoy it. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be tuning it a lot in boost, but it should be good. And then hopefully we can work around it, the emission portion of everything, so maybe we can get it running okay to pass emissions, even though it will be turboed. But that's something way in the future. We might sell the car by then, we might blow the car by then. I can't really predict that. Automatic transmissions are not the strong point of the car. That's why I'm not worried about high boost. I'm just worried about efficiency and running. So if it's going to take 5 pounds to make this thing reliable, the transmission not to have torque converter shifting issues, then that's what it's going to take. I'm cool with running 5 pounds of boost as long as we get the turbo whistles, the turbo spool, and we already got that front mount intercooler mocked up, so hopefully that's gonna look like a beast. Anyway guys, the house we're staying at here is a nice log cabin, pretty dope, a couple hours away from Chicago, so the views are nice. It sucks that it's kind of cloudy and all, but we'll make the best out of it. Anyway guys, I'm gonna head back inside. We're gonna do a lot of eating, a lot of drinking, and get back for the work week. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comment down below. I'll answer every single question I can, and we'll see you on the next video, guys. Peace.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya.